students. How are you all? I hope you all are very good. Today, students, we are going to learn about the very important topic of class first science chapter number 11, that is about air. So, students, as we all know that air is a very vital resource or the component present on the earth. Without air, no living organism can survive, right? So, in this session, we are going to learn about the properties of air. That is, air takes up space, air has weight, and then we will learn about some of the uses of air. All right? See, first of all, we have to take the objects that need air. इन सभी ऑब्जेक्ट्स में से वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स जिनको एयर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, we have to take all of them. So in the very first picture, this is the football, and to inflate the football, we need air, right? So we will take it cat. Secondly, it's a cat, a living organism. A living organism को air की need होती है. Third, it's a tree, again a living organism. So tree also needs air. Then it's a knife. Knife को air की requirement नहीं है. Pen does not need air, and this is a windmill. Windmill again need air to move. Okay? Chalo. Now next we have what? The introduction first of all, that is air is present everywhere. All living things need air to live. We cannot see air, but we can feel the air when it moves. What this saying students कि air हमारे चारों तरफ present होती है. Right? सभी living beings को air की requirement है to survive, to live. But we cannot feel the air. हम air को, sorry, we cannot see the air. ठीक? हम air को देख नहीं सकते. We can just feel it. And that also when it moves. ठीक है? जब air move करती है तब आप उसे feel करते हो, experience करते हो. Otherwise we cannot see the air. And the moving air is called wind. यानी जो air जब move करती है उस moving air को कहा जाता है wind. Wind helps to move things. Wind के through जो things हैं, चीजें हैं, move करती है जैसे कि kite, sailboat. Alright? Now, next we have the property of air, that air takes up space. Air क्या करती है? Air space यानी कि जगह घेरती है, जगह occupy करती है space को. You must have seen balloon. When you blow air into it, it becomes bigger and bigger. Right? आपने अगर balloon देखा हो तो जब balloon के अंदर हम air blow करते हैं, balloon का size बड़ा होता चला जाता है. क्यों? Because the air takes up the space inside the balloon. जब आप balloon के अंदर air को blow कर रहे हो, वो air उस balloon के अंदर के space को cover कर रहा है. ठीक है? जिसकी वजह से balloon का size जो है वो increase हो रहा है. So it gives the balloon its shape. So basically air ने क्या करा? उस balloon को उसकी shape provide करी. So we can say कि that air takes up space. कि air क्या करती है? Air space occupy करती है. Next we have what? Air has weight. Air में क्या होता है? Weight भी होता है. So do you know which balloon is heavier? An empty balloon or a blown up balloon? ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास दो बलून है, सो उन दोनों बलून में से कौन सा हेवियर होगा? एक एम्प्टी यानी कि खाली बलून या एक ऐसा बलून जिसके अंदर एयर फिल्ड है या जो ब्लोन अप बलून है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अ ब्लोन अप बलून वुड बी हेवियर. एक ब्लोन अप बलून यानी एक ऐसा बलून जिसमें एयर फिल्ड होगी, उसका वेट ज्यादा होगा एज कंपेयर टू द एम्प्टी वन. व्हाई? बिकॉज ब्लोन अप बलून के अंदर क्या है? एयर फिल्ड है. ठीक है, एंड द शोज कि एयर हैज वेट ऑल्सो. एयर का वेट भी होता है जिसकी वजह से जो इन्फ्लेटेड बलून है उसका वेट ज्यादा है. So these were the two properties of air, that air occupies space and another thing, air has weight. ठीक. Now we come to the topic uses of air. Air के different uses क्या है? As we all know, there are many uses of air. Number one, they have given you that all living things need air to breathe. सभी living things को air की जरूरत होती है breathe करने के लिए, which is a very important use of air. Secondly, moving air can dry clothes. ठीक है, moving air के थ्रू जो wet clothes होते हैं वो dry हो जाते हैं. Air help birds to fly. Air की वजह से birds fly करती हैं. Air is needed for burning. किसी भी substance को burn करने के लिए भी air is required. Without air, a substance cannot burn. Secondly, wind is used to move aeroplanes and windmills etc. ठीक है, aeroplane, these are your windmills. इनको move करने के लिए भी air is needed. Air helps boat to sail. Boat sail करती है because of air. Then air helps parachutes and kites fly. Parachutes है, kites है, ये fly करते हैं because of air. Then air is used to blow the instruments. कुछ instruments हैं, musical instruments like flute, trumpet, mouth organs. ये सारे instrument जो work करते हैं, that is because of the blown air into them. Right? Now let us recall the chapter. So as we know कि air is present everywhere and moving air को what we call? We called it wind. Then air gives shape to things. Air किसी भी particular चीज को shape provide करता है and air के क्या होता है? Air में weight भी होता है. All living things, सभी living things को air की requirement होती है breathe करने के लिए. Air helps boat to sail. Air के through boat sail करती है. Wind is used to move things. ठीक है, aeroplanes and windmills जैसी चीजें move करती हैं because of wind, that is moving air, right? And the last, that air helps us to blow the instruments like flute, trumpets, mouth organs, etc. Okay, so the chapter is completed over here. This was all about the air, its properties and its different uses. I hope now you must have understood the importance of air in your life. Now let's meet in the next session with a new topic. Till then, keep learning well, and thanks to everyone.